If you like bubble tea, you have to try my 3 ingredients Taiwanese tapioca bites. It's so chewy and with a little bit of crunchiness. Let's get into it. We begin by preparing 8 grams boiling water. Directly add the boiling water into tapioca starch. Then we use spatula to mix them first. Mix it until it starts to come together, become a dough. When it is not that hard, we can start to use our hands. When there is almost no dry flour in the bowl, we start to knead on the surface. Knead it about 2 to 3 minutes until they are smooth. Divide it into 4. Add some tapioca starch on the surface to prevent them from sticking. Roll each portion into a longer stick and then press them down. Now we cut them into about ½ centimeter wide small pieces. Just some tapioca starch to prevent them from sticking. If you don't want to use it right away, you can put it in the fridge for at the most 2 days or in the freezer for at the most 1 month. Now let's cook it. We boil the water first. Add the tapioca bites in where the water is boiling. When all the bites float to the surface, turn the fire to a low heat. Keep it cooking for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, you can see the edges of tapioca bites have become transparent. Turn off the heat, pour on the cover and let it sit for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I share or remake one recipe every single week. So this cooking time is for a chewy and crunchy texture. If you're looking for a chewy and tender texture, you can simply double the cooking time and the sealing time. So 10 minutes later, we'll move the tapioca into cold water. If the water becomes warm, we just change another cold water. We change the water until tapioca bites are completely cooled down. Finally, we drain the water. Move the tapioca bites into a bowl. Sweeten with brown sugar or any sweetener you like. You can eat it right away or let it sit for a bit to allow the sweetener go into the tapioca bites. It's so chewy with a little bit of crunchiness and it's so simple to make. If you like my recipe, please hit that subscribe button and check my other cooking videos.